Benefits of outpatient joint replacement are, number one, first and foremost, recovering in a familiar environment at your home.
You're getting the exact same procedure, it's just the setting that it's performed in.
There seems to be less risk for infection or other untoward outcomes doing this way.
You're not dealing with hospital issues, hospital people waking you up, doing vitals all night long. You're getting a more restful sleep and you're still getting a good recovery.
Over the past 3 years that we've been doing it, it's become very popular, avoiding having to go to the hospital, avoiding the costs of being in the hospital, as well as some of the risks of being in the hospital.
The same day you have your surgery, when you go home, you will have a nurse at your house that night to make sure you're okay once you get there. And oftentimes you'll have a physical therapist at your home as well the same day as surgery too. That way they can assess how your mobility is after surgery and make sure your home is safe.
They come like at 6 o'clock in the morning and they leave by 3 o'clock. It works well. They know what to expect here and they know what to expect when they go home.
There's really no reason to sit in a hospital where you expose yourself unnecessarily.
So particularly for someone who is motivated and healthy and has a good home support system, going home the same day is ideal.
We're probably on the forefront of outpatient joint replacement along the Treasure Coast. As a group, I would say we do the most out of any of the groups, and specifically at the Treasure Coast Surgery Center, that would be the leading outpatient joint replacement center here locally.
Before we even go into the operating room, the anesthesiologist will use an ultrasound machine to identify the nerve, and when they identify it with the ultrasound, they can then inject it with an anesthetic that will give you pain relief for a couple days after the surgery, which really helps accelerate your both ability to go home, but also your rehab.
It's just going to be more and more in the wave of the future, and I think that's a positive for everybody involved.